morning, everyone, and welcome. In this webinar, I'm going to present Fluida, the platform that simplifies the relationship between companies and their employees. My name is Mikael, and today I'm going to illustrate Fluida's many useful features and characteristics. Let's get started by exploring what makes our platform unique and what the main advantages of using our software are. In a context as complex as personnel management, two primary needs emerge. On one hand, companies need to both collect and send data in real time in order to optimize processes and reduce costs. On the other, employees tend to procrastinate data entry because they often find themselves forced to use complex software designed for administrative staff. This is why we built a single platform that can help organize the entire workforce. By studying the needs of employees, we were able to create a platform that can optimize the relationship they have with their company. The advantages of using a software like ours are numerous. Digitalizing the entire HR process allows our clients to collect and view data in real time. You can say goodbye to paper, Excel spreadsheets, and data inputting errors. This improved efficiency saves both time and money. Not to mention the fact that employees will be more satisfied, because they will finally have access to a tool that provides them with an overview of all their information, thereby allowing them to rectify any situations where they might have inputted data incorrectly or just forgotten to do so. So what can you do with Fluida? One of our platform's core functionalities is attendance management. Through Fluida, your entire team is always up to date on who is available and in which office. You can request time off, authorizations, overtime, or sick leave. All the above is always on hand in a simple-to-read calendar format that both you and your team can access. Managers can approve or deny requests, or, in case an employee sends a request that does not require approval, simply be notified. Like all other aspects of our platform, this distinction is customizable. Each company can set their own rules. Just like everything else, all authorizations can be managed anytime, anywhere, right from your smartphone. Another important feature is our clocking in system. It's the smartest, most complete, and modern system you've ever seen. Whether you want to clock in remotely or on-site, Fluida has you covered. With our platform, employees can start or end their shifts using 4 different technologies: Bluetooth, Beacon, and NFC for on-site clocking in or out, and GPS for both on-site and remote clocking in or out. Naturally, worker location data is never saved. Our system simply confirms whether the area from which the badging is occurring is valid or not. Fluida helps keep your attendance sheet organized, thereby eliminating lengthy revision procedures at the end of the month. Our system reduces forgotten timestamps by reminding workers to clock in via push notification if they forget to do so. Smartphones are always with us, while the same cannot be said about badges, which are often forgotten on our desks. Additionally, with Fluida, you're not bound to your headquarters. You can clock in remotely thanks to the geolocation technology we just mentioned. Let's have a look at the clocking in devices that can be installed at your headquarters. Fluida Beacon is a lightweight and cost-effective antenna, equipped with a swappable battery, that emits a Bluetooth signal over a 20-meter wide radius, inside which workers can clock in or out with their smartphone. Fluida Station is a clocking in system that allows employees to confirm their attendance both via smartphone and NFC badge. The station can connect to a Wi-Fi network or a cellular one. It emits a Bluetooth signal that makes authenticated smartphone clocking in possible and comes equipped with a front-facing NFC sensor for badge use. Fluida badges are also eco-friendly. Being environmentally conscious is a top priority for us. We do everything we can to minimize the environmental impact of our products by doing away with plastics wherever possible. Let us now move on to the functionalities that are already available on the platform, as well as those that will be released shortly. Let's start with corporate communications, a feature we developed with the exceptional post-lockdown situation in mind. The need to keep track of communications sent out to employees and receive read receipts has become more important than ever. It is a truly interesting feature, one that is loved by our clients because of its many applications. In fact, This feature's usefulness goes beyond sending messages. By creating recurring communications, it becomes a de facto reminders app. This is just one example of the way Fluida's infinitely customizable rules allow companies to create their ideal solutions. Remember, we're here to get rid of headaches, not cause new ones. Expense reporting is an upcoming feature that is scheduled for launch before the end of 2020. This functionality will allow employees to create, categorize, and send expense reports so they may be approved easily and without delay. Getting back to the numerous features that are already available, the company directory is the tool that stores worker information, allowing employees to contact their colleagues via cell phone or video calling apps such as Skype, FaceTime, WhatsApp, and so forth, all in compliance with user privacy laws. Additionally, businesses can be divided into workplaces or teams, thereby allowing users to only view and export the information they require. Other options include selecting who can approve requests, scheduling shifts, and allowing workers to request a shift change or consult the timetable. Clearly, all the information collected by the platform needs to be exported. This is why Fluida puts multiple tools at your disposal, starting with the most common export formats such as Excel and CVS. Additionally, through API keys, you can integrate Fluida with other company software that are already in use. Another characteristic that makes Fluida a truly complete tool, one that countless companies will find invaluable, is that we are multilingual. We speak Italian, English, Spanish, and French. The only language we try to stay away from is legalese. We are GDPR compliant. We protect client data and adopt the most rigorous security standards, constantly updating our product so it is compliant with all applicable regulations. Thanks to the simplicity of the platform and the Help Center, we offer constant support and answer all questions directly through the app or through our website. You can use Fluida however you like. Our Android app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store, while the iOS app can be found on the App Store. You can also reach Fluida from the web through the link app.fluida.io to access our platform via PC or smartphone. All the aforementioned features are present regardless of the device you use Fluida from. Fluida is part of the Zucchetti Group, the leading software house in Italy that needs no introduction. We are a young but experienced team, and together with Zucchetti, we are creating a truly complete and innovative platform. Countless businesses have already chosen us, and their superb reviews and recommendations speak for themselves. Our clients are companies that are trying to innovate, to go through a digitalization process that will make their teams more efficient and effective than ever. We couldn't be more excited to be by their side as they go through this transition. Fluida is a uniquely useful tool that slims down the otherwise cumbersome management of the workforce in a way that will feel intuitive right from the start. All you have to do is visit our website, fluida.io, and activate your free 15-day trial. Once you've experienced all that Fluida has to offer, you'll be able to choose either a small, starter, or professional plan based on your company's needs. All that's left for me to do is invite you to test out the product for yourself and bring all your colleagues along with you. Together with all your collaborators, you'll be able to test out Fluida's full functionality right from the start and appreciate how useful Fluida can be for your business.